Hello and welcome to the Magic Kingdom. Also, what's sparking? But we're here. It is a party day, so that means the Magic Kingdom does close early. Still, full price tickets though. Let's go see how much we can get done. We're not going to be here until park close, which is 6 o'clock. I think it's 6 o'clock. But we'll be here for a little bit. We're going to go around, try and get on a bunch of rides. Try and get a bunch of rides. There it is. And yeah, we'll go from there. Come on, let's go have some fun. Yep, that's right. Mid-August. And this isn't even like the first party. So Halloween is more than 2 months away. And it is completely Halloween time here in the Magic Kingdom. Nothing says fall more than 112 degrees heat index and a heat advisory. No matter what, Dapper Dans are out. We're at Disney. It's going to be a great time.
Thank you so much, everybody. Once again, we are the Dapper Dans. We'll see you around Main Street. Have a great day in the Magic Kingdom. Bye-bye.
The pumpkins are out down the middle of Main Street. Great day. We're going to see what the crowd levels are like. Tends to be not as bad on park days because, well, still full price ticket even though you only get half the park day. But if you're not big on fireworks and nighttime spectaculars, it might be worth it so that you get a little bit more done ride-wise. So the park is definitely starting to get more crowded as the day goes on, which is going to be expected. But right now, waits are low, but not all walk-ons. Last I saw, Buzz Lightyear was like at 25 minutes. I think that's roughly where I'm going to be heading to. Need to check over at Star Traders. Katie wants one of those wiener dog monorail, Dawson rail, I don't know, whatever that sweater's called. She wants one of those. So we're gonna go check that, and then hopefully go get on Buzz, and go from there. Okay, bye. Just on my way over. I don't know if it's just sprinklers, or if the dragon's supposed to be blowing mist. Father Year's coming here. I don't think I've ever taken notice of that before. Something new. Well, I should have known it. Katie wants the It sweater. They don't have it. I'll have to keep looking. Hopefully they're making more. Anyways, Buzz's line was outside, but it's growing. We'll see how long that is. That might be a pivoting plan. It says 35 minutes. Probably will not be the smartest use of my time. But I wanted to do it. So I'm going to do it. It's only 35 minutes. It's one of the longer waits in the park, but it's only 35 minutes. About 15 minutes into our wait, we're about to get to the glorious air conditioning. I can't wait. I am still very glad they've expanded the inside queue of this. More air conditioning. Greatly needed.
What? Robotic Omni is stealing Crystallic Fusion power cells. Now those cells will all be powerless and at the mercy of Zerg. Star Command confirms you're all battle-ready recruits. All right, rookie Space Rangers, listen up. Green Squadron will retreat the power cell while the rest of you concentrate on those robots. We'll rendezvous at Planet C. I will communicate with Star Command to coordinate our mission.
Uh-oh. That's fun. This is gone. I don't know if the ride's still running or not. They're clearing through Fast Pass. We might be getting evacuated. Oh well. Yep.
Keep going, guys. Keep moving forward. We have a emergency. Keep moving forward. All the way down the hallway.
So that's slightly disappointing. Hope everyone's okay. But we yes, are not getting on Buzz right now. Didn't check the app. Go somewhere else. Yeah. Pirates is still saying a 5-minute wait. Let's go do Pirates. Arg. Well, yeah, the Dans are back. They're driving now.
Never to return again.
Well, yeah, it's because it's gone.
Goodbye, my cognac. Goodbye, my cognac. Goodbye, my cognac.
Well, the egg roll or spring roll line is short, but that's another good thing if you want them. But we're gonna walk past it and go to Adventureland and go to, you know, the pirate ride. Yo ho, pirate life for me. Okay. One undocumented potty ride later, we made it down to Pirates. Yo ho, a 5-minute wait for me. Well, we found the line. That was not 5 minutes. So, yay.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the hole. And watch your children and snow guards.
Okay, we're an hour into the let's see how much we can get in on a lighter day. And we got on one ride and evacuated off of another. So it feels less busy, but we've still only gotten one ride in an hour. It's more of because the ride broke down right before we got on it. But still, it still doesn't count. Okay, next up, Big Thunder Mountain. It says 5 minutes. Kiana's only says 15. So, Big Thunder, here we come. The D23 is going on currently, and they have showed off the finished model for the Piston Peak area over there. Overall, it does look nice. I think it'll be a good addition. Okay, wait time just jumped up to 15, but still, only a 15-minute ride wait for Big Thunder Mountain. I think we waited like an hour when it just opened back up. So, hashtag winning. Construction update. It is still a construction site. Yeah, that's about it. Construction. Well, there's dirt and some concrete. We made it to the mine entrance, the train entrance. I feel like that's only been about 5 minutes. We're doing good.
Your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Well, at least that one worked out. The line is definitely longer now. It is saying 25 minutes. Probably took us about 15 minutes on and off. Not complaining. But with it being a feel like of 103, you know, so definitely start of fall and spooky season here in Florida. Let's go on Haunted Mansion. That said 15 minutes when we were waiting for this. I did not check the app. So, okay, we might go do Haunted Mansion. Well, it looks like there's still some of the boardwalk. There's no water left. There's nothing but construction walls. Assuming this is mainly for parade bypass. That's my guess, at least. It's more of a long cut now than a short cut. Lets you out right here, heading straight towards Country Bears. That's it. We did it. We didn't really get that much farther than where we were. Okay. I think they said the wait was up to 25 minutes now. Also, Tomorrowland update. Buzz Lightyear, the last floor, and People Mover are down. So I'm assuming that means there's something actually going on inside that building. Hopefully nothing too serial. The line. We have already found the line. It's getting busier. There's also multiple attractions down right now. Oh, the scrim is down. So that's a plus. But if this truly does take 25 minutes, this might be one of the last things we get to do. It's hot. It has been a certain number of minutes. We've made it to the graveyard. We're almost there. Well, at least to the pre-show.
Pay attention, though life is so hectic. Ask Earl who did miss that fence was.
Well, that one's kind of working. The rest of the extended graveyard queue not being used. Anyways, still almost there.
Oh my God, he's going to take all the way across the next street. All the way to the next one.
Oh, that's a first. Post stretching room. There's no wait. That's odd.
not pull down on the safety valve. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quiet and secret at all times. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, of course, and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known.
In your doom, we will proceed in just a moment.
Here in this ghost room, every room has more to it than hot and cold blood and chill. Listen.
Serpents, spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a tape. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
Here comes the bride.
There you are. And just top, there's a little asteroid on the list. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our order, and they'll haunt you until you return.
Well, that was fun. We only stopped like 2 or 3 times. So it's basically a non-stop trip around Haunted Mansion. Buzz Lightyear's back open. It says 20 minutes. I'm running across. We're going to see what the line is. If the line's not super long, we're getting on it. If not, might do the people mover. Either way, one more ride, and then we're going to head out. Wish me luck, I guess. I mean, it's already happened, and it's probably somewhere down in the timestamp if we got on it or not. But for me, it's still new. Okay, bye. Well, it still says 20 minutes. Let's see. We're in line. The app just updated it to 35 minutes. We shall see. I stopped waiting, and then the line started to move more, it looked like. But I'm assuming it's going to stop again here soon. So, it's hot. It's a real feel of like 114. So I'm heading out. Set a blast, just not on Space Ranger, Astro, Blaster, whatever. But thanks for coming along. Yeah, if you are going to come during a party day, crowds will be slightly less than what they are on a normal day. We'll get busier as the day goes on, but if you want to get on probably a couple more rides, if you want to play it right and actually look at what's short instead of just going on what you want it to go on, because going on Pirates, the Big Thunder, and Haunted Mansion in all under an hour, great. Waiting probably over an hour total and never actually getting to ride Buzz Lightyear? Yeah, that's my bad. But still fun day, hot day, long, short day. Anyways, thanks for coming along. Definitely, hopefully catch you all next time. And as always, remember to stay kind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to exit through the gift shop.